Hey, baby. Hey, baby, how are you? Hey, baby. Hey, baby. You see these keys? What are these keys? What are the keys for? Betsy, come here. Come here. What are these for? Hey, what are these for? What are they for? What's it look like? Let's go check it out. Let's go see. I can find my shoes somewhere. Oh, she ran out. So today is a very beautiful New Year's Day. We're gonna introduce a car. We're gonna introduce a secret car that we've been trying to add to the channel. And let me just get my shoes. So we have a mystery car that we got for the channel here. It's another project that we've been working on. Let's go. There's a Hellcat, of course. Betsy, come here. Baby, baby, come here. Where are you? Where are you? Hey, baby. Hey. Hey, baby. Where are you? Hey, Betsy. Come here. Oh, good morning. Green machine right there. So, good morning, guys. Happy New Year to you all. 2020 is here, and we're doing it again. We just got the car for our next project. Here are the keys for it. I had to make these. It came with no keys, and it wasn't no start. It has a mechanical issue. We'll go through that later in next video, or maybe this one. We'll see if we have enough time. We had the keys made right here, and here it is. Here's this car right there. This is 2000 Honda Prelude. This is a forgotten race car that everybody used to have back in the day. So this car, this whole car was not wrecked, and it is the cheapest on the planet, I believe. I got it for $100, $100 right there. Now to do a quick walk around over here. So this thing is a 2000 Honda Prelude. Obviously we had the keys made right there. It did have an issue with the key, since the computer, it has like a little computer that doesn't let the it's like a bypass little key key computer for a security thing that we had to get also with this key, and so we still have to program it. But here it is. It's the 2.2 Honda engine right there. So we have, the lights are faded kind of. They don't look so good, but the body is pretty straight. Tires are pretty new there. Keep in mind, it's $100. Cheapest Prelude ever. Look at this car right there. Looks good in the back like this. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. This exciting project for us here. I'm gonna start doing this pretty soon, take it apart.
You guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year with your families.
That's right. This is still a New Year's Eve day. We're gonna go get some parts
For the Honda Prelude.
for the Honda Prelude, for the project that we're unveiling in this video. We're just gonna go look for some little things like ignition, switch and stuff like that. Just see what they have. We called the place, and
maybe like a battery.
no, we got the battery. They said that they have a parts car like that. It's apparently it's a rare car. Like they don't have them at junkyards anywhere. It's an old car, but it's not nowhere to be found. So you can probably fit some Honda Civic parts in it. So we'll go there and hit the road and see what happens. See you there.
back. We're at the junkyard putting some parts on the Honda Prelude. I mean, finding parts for the Honda Prelude. And there's some cool cars here. And we need some parts for the Honda Prelude. We already got the key. And bye, guys.
Okay, looking for this part here. Yeah, it's there. It's there. I'm just gonna have to take it apart. Yeah. Nice Honda Prelude. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Find what we're looking for. You guys, I found a motor for the Prelude. If the one that we have is not rebuildable, we can get this one here. This is clean. This is very clean. This is a 2000 Prelude. And I'm gonna ask them how much they want for the motor. This is legit. This is a good find right here. Hold on, my baby wants to say something. Say it. Come on.
You got this part right here.
Yeah, that's just something that we really needed.
What is this for?
It's a thing that holds the hood up open. Yep.
Yeah, you open the hood and then
Yeah,
it
it's a
stands.
pretty good find we got here. So we're just picking what we need. See, legit. Yep. Hey, how you doing?
All right, Howard.
Hi, Andre. Yeah, I'm filming for YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. I already talked about you doing the keys.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Okay, you have the keys to it?
Yeah, right here. So we're trying to program the key. There you go. Yeah, I got this battery. Battery costs more than a car. Paid $113 for a battery.
That's a good battery.
And and then car was $100.
Yeah.
So I was just trying to see, maybe there's a wire that's maybe like a cut or torn out or something. Maybe it's not reading the unit itself.
That could be. And then too, when you do the radio, a lot of times it affects them. And
Exactly. Because the radio is out. You see how it's all torn out?
So what I'm gonna...
Yeah, the seats are, look at the shape. Like it's...
Oh, it's right there.
It's pretty, yeah, the radio. Oh, so the OBD2 is right here.
Mm-hmm. That's a trick right there. If you don't know where it's at, you'll never...
Yeah, usually it's underneath the column right there. The steering wheel column.
What's the smell of the Prelude?
Yeah, it smells like a... Oh, careful, buddy. Careful. Go on the other side right here. Over here, by me.
Where?
Right here. Right here, yeah.
That's good.
It's nice. Yeah. Program the key. Does it start beeping at all or anything? Oh yeah. Nice. It might even start, because if it's overheated, it'll still start, I think. We can try to start it.
Okay, see what it says?
What's it say over there?
We'll go into the programming mode.
Replace, immobilize your ECU. Okay. Mystery upgrade. We're not gonna reveal it. Next video, guys. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fun. Yeah, this is a Hellcat right here. This is
Get a shout out to Dave Smith.
We already did. We already did. Yeah, right there. Look at that. Yeah, beautiful day. It's like 65 degrees outside. That's crazy.